Hello and welcome to the 9th tutorial in the JavaScript Basics tutorial series, and in this tutorial we're going to look at objects. This tutorial seems you've done tutorial 2. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up a text editor, then I'm going to go ahead and open up the files from tutorial 2 in the text editor. So we just want to go to the JavaScript file. And basically what an object is, they're essentially just data with added properties and methods. Properties have values associated with them, so they're like variables sort of, and methods are actions, aka functions, which we'll be covering in tutorial 11. So let's just declare a variable. I'm going to call it x. I'm going to make it equal to hello world. This is basically saying x has x is of string object, it's of a string type. You can also write it as this. You can do new string and put the string inside there. It is essentially the same as it was before, but this just explicitly states what it is, and you can see it at quick glance easily, especially when there's a lot of code. So what does this actually mean? If we just go and get rid of this, type in x, just run this page in the web browser. So we've got hello world, open up text editor again. What we can also do, we can do some really cool things. With this object, there's some built-in functions. If we just do dot, do length. Actually, sorry, length isn't a function or method, is a property, and we'll get onto methods in a second. Now we just refresh, and now it says 11. It is of length 11. So let's just count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You've got to count the space character as well, because that is a valid character as is H or W or D. And now let's just use a function. So the function we're going to use is to uppercase, and I think it's pretty easy to guess what this does. This will all print in uppercase now. Refresh, and now it's all printed in uppercase. Benefits of using something like uppercase is maybe you're comparing some data that you've got in, I don't know, a database, but it's not case sensitive, so you could do to uppercase or to lowercase the data that the user has put in and the data that's in a database, for example, and that way you know it is or isn't the same. Obviously you're not taking into consideration case. That's it for objects. In the next tutorial we're going to look at custom objects, actually creating an object of our own. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. All the required source code will be in the description via links, and as usual, thanks for watching.